In this video, we'll teach you how to search for a development in Massbuilds, the Metropolitan Area Planning Council's collaborative database of real estate developments in Massachusetts. When you go to the Massbuilds website at www.massbuilds.com, you will be taken to the statewide development map. Each dot represents a development in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. In the upper left-hand corner is a convenient search bar so that you can search for different developments. Inside the search bar, you have the option to search for different municipalities or names of developments in case you want to find something specific. You can see, as I type the word Cambridge, that we have divided the results into different categories. We have a town/city if we want to zoom into Cambridge. We have the developers, and we also have the names of specific developments. You can then pick the appropriate filter that you would like to select, and the Massbuilds map will zoom and highlight the area. Now you can see highlighted all the different developments that are selected by this filter. You can then go ahead and clear the filter by clicking the X to the left of the search bar in the upper left-hand corner. You also have the option to view all the available filters by clicking the little funnel icon above the X in the upper left-hand corner. You can go to the individual filter in the case of the town or the city. You can then drill down and search for a specific one like Boston. Clicking the plus next to the filter will then enable it, and the Massbuilds map will reflect the filter you have added. You can then further drill down into the other categories if you would like to get a further subset of Massbuilds developments in our database. For example, you can show only completed developments in the city of Boston. Once you have fully filtered all your developments, you can then go ahead and export all your developments to a CSV by clicking the CSV icon in the lower right-hand corner. Then a CSV file of all your developments will be conveniently downloaded to the Downloads folder on your hard drive.